Okay, dear friends, a very warm welcome to you all today in my new session. As in our last session we have read that application of section formula, means few examples after explaining the section formula. So today we came here with the sums of exercise 7.2. I have started from the question number 5 because 1 to 4 questions are very easy, and that type of question we have explained there in examples. So dear students, you have to complete the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 by your own self. If you are facing any difficulty, so comment there in the comment box. I will give you the solution of those questions also. So today, as I brought the question number 5. In this question it is given that find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of points of division. So this type of question also we have discussed there in the example, but there was given divided by y-axis, here it was given divided by x-axis. So I think that it is required to give the solution of these questions to you all also, right? So this is the line segment, this is the line segment AB. The coordinates of A are given 1 minus 5 and coordinates of B are given minus 4 and 5, right? This line segment, say these coordinates of x, that A is x1 y1, it means x1 is equals to 1 and y1 is equals to minus 5, and here this B, you suppose this is x2 y2, it means therefore x2 is equals to minus 4 and y2 is equals to 5, right? So this line segment is divided by x-axis at this point. Say at this point it is divided by. So let P be the point, let P be the point and P be the, as you know that this P is on x-axis. So do you know the coordinates of any point lies on x-axis is always in the form of x0. Do you know? When you will take the coordinates of any point on x-axis, so it is always in this form, means there should be the few value of x and the y coordinate will be always 0. Okay. So as y is always 0, so the coordinates of any points on x-axis is in this form x0, right? So here let P and the coordinates of P is x0 be the coordinates, be the point of division lies on x-axis. Okay. Now we are going to find out this point divides this line segment in which ratio. Say this divides and this divides in the ratios of m1 is to m2, and this point P, coordinates of P are x0 is divides AB, divide AB in M1 is to M2 ratio. Means this AP is M1 and PB is M2. This ratio we are going to find out. So to find the ratio of these points of division, that these division means AP is divided by PB, let us start solving. So the coordinates of P, therefore coordinates of P means which is x0 will be equals to the coordinates of P in the form of section formula, that is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Now this is the x coordinate. Now y coordinate will be M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2, right? Now let us substitute the value and we are going to find out the ratios of this M1 is to M2. So here you just see, here the x coordinate is x but y coordinate is y, and here x coordinate is this and y coordinate is this one. Therefore this 0 you have to take. 0 is equals to this y coordinate. Therefore what you can write? You can say that this 0 is equals to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now let us cross multiply. When you cross multiply, this M1 plus M2 becomes 0. So you will get M1 y2 plus M2 y1 equals to 0. Now substitute the value of y1 and y2 here. y1 is minus 5. So M1 minus 5 plus M2 into this is M1 y2 and the value of y2 is 5 plus M2 y1 and the value of y1 is minus 5 equals to 0. So simplifying 5 M1 minus 5 M2 equals to 0. Therefore you will get 5 M1 equals to 5 M2. So M1 upon M2, M1 upon M2 is equals to 5 upon 5, which gives you 1 is to 1. So therefore the ratio becomes M1 is to M2 is equals to 1 is to 1. As you know that the ratios are same coming, it means this point P is the midpoint of this line segment AB. Okay. Now to find the coordinates of this point of division, there is y coordinate is there, and based on this y coordinate we got the ratio of the division. So after getting this ratio of division we can find the value of x easily. As I told you, based on this ratio of division, it is clear that this point P is the midpoint of line segment AB. So if it is the midpoint of line segment AB, so as you know that the formula of x equals to, therefore x equals to, you know that x1 plus x2 upon 2. Now the value of x1 and x2 you substitute here. X1 is, so x is equals to x1 which is 1 plus x2 which is minus 4 upon 2. So you will get minus 3 upon 2. Therefore the coordinate of point of division is minus 3 by 2 and 0. So the coordinates of point of division b minus 3 by 2 and 0. Right? Now let's see the question number 7 of your exercise 7.2. In this it is given that find the coordinates of point A, find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. This is the circle, given circle, and AB is the diameter. We have to find out the coordinates of this point A. इस point A की coordinate को हमें find करना है. This where AB is the diameter of this circle, whose center is, the coordinates of center are given, whose center is 2, minus 3, and the coordinates of B is 1, 4. Right, children? We are going to find out the coordinates of this point A. Okay? So, see in the solution, let A whose coordinates are x, y, this we have to find out. Whose coordinates are x, y, is one end of the diameter. Right? If this is one end of this diameter and this is the second end, the coordinate of second end is given. Now, from the figure it is clear that this is x, y. Now, just see the figure. From the figure it is clear that this center of the circle is the midpoint of the diameter. When you see this center of the circle is the midpoint of this diameter AB. Now, the point of coordinates of the center means the midpoint is given here. So, first point we need to find out. Right? So, as you know that point midpoints is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, here from here it is clear that coordinates of O coordinates of point 2, which is 2, 3 minus 3 equals to midpoint of AB. Right? Now coordinates of O are 2, 3. So this 2 minus 3 will be equals to x plus 1 upon 2, y plus 4 upon 2. Now, to find the value of x and y, first we have to take x coordinate, this 2 is equals to x plus 1 upon 2. From here, therefore, what are you getting? This 2 is equals to x plus 1 upon 2. Cross multiply, you will get x plus 1 is equals to 4. So, therefore, x is equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. The value of x came, this is 3. Now, to find the value of y, this y coordinate is equals to this y coordinate. So, and minus 3, this minus 3 is equals to y plus 4 upon 2. Cross multiply, you will get y plus 4 equals to minus 6. So, y is equals to minus 6 minus 4, therefore, y is equals to minus 10. So, as x is 3, y is minus 10, so the coordinates of The point A are 3 minus 10. Therefore, you got the answer. Coordinates of point A are 3 minus 10. Right? You have to multiply. It is the application of midpoint. So, the coordinates of midpoints are x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So, here we have taken this x is equals to x plus 1 upon 2. After simplifying, we will get x is equals to 3, and this minus 3, the coordinate of y is equals to y plus 4 upon 2. That is, after cross multiplying, you will get y plus 4 is equals to 3 2s are 6 minus 6. So, y is equals to minus 6 minus 4, that is y is equals to minus 10. So, it is our required answer. The coordinates of point A is 3 minus 10. Okay friends, let us see the question number 8. If A and B are the minus 2 comma minus 2, means this is the coordinates of point A, and 2 comma minus 4 means it is the coordinate of point B. A and B are these points respectively. Find the coordinates of P. What is P? This is given. Find the coordinate of P such that AP is equals to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Okay. So, the line segment AB it is given here. Let this is the line segment AB. Okay. It is A whose coordinates are minus 2 minus 2. It is B and its coordinates are 2 comma minus 4. P lies on this line segment, say it is here. This is point P. We are going to find out the coordinates of this point, but the relation between these it is given AP upon AB. As you know that this point divides this line segment in few ratios. Say these ratios are M1 is to M2. This we have to find out. This M1 is to M2 is equals to this M1 is to M2 equals to, we need to find out AP upon PB, right? So, to find this value AP upon PB, we have to take this result as it is given in this question. So, what is given? AP, since AP equals to 3 upon 7 AB. So, bring this AB to this side, you will get, therefore, AP upon AB is equals to 3 upon 7. Now, this is not the value of AP upon PB, it is AP upon AB. So, let us change it. It can be written as AB upon AP equals to 7 upon 3. हमने क्या किया? हमने इसका इन्वर्स ले लिया, इसको अपोजिट कर दिया. डिनोमिनेटर इज रिटन इन न्यूमरेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर इज रिटन इन डिनोमिनेटर. सिमिलरली टू द राइट साइड ऑल्सो. AP upon AB is equals to 3 by 7. So, AB upon AP is equals to 7 upon 3. Now, subtract 1 both the side. It can be written as AB upon AP minus 1 equals to 7 upon 3 minus 1. So, therefore, it can be written as AB minus AP upon AP equals to 7 minus 3 upon 3. Therefore, what you will get? AB minus AP. AB minus AP is equals to, you can say this is PB. So, PB upon AP equals to, this becomes 4 upon 3. Again you will take the converse of it. So, AP upon PB equals to 3 upon 4, and this is the ratio m1 is to m2. Therefore m1 is 3 and m2 is 4. Now let us find the coordinates of this point P, which is xy, right? So to find the coordinates of P, say this A is x1 y1 and these coordinates of B are x2 y2, right? So x1 is equals to -2, y1 is equals to -2, x2 is equals to 2 and y2 is equals to -4. m1 is 3, m2 is 4. So the coordinates of P, coordinates of P will be the formula, that section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now substitute the values. You will get m1 is 3 into x2, x2 is 2, plus m2 is 4 into x1, x1 is -2 upon m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 4. Similarly m1 is 3 multiplied by y2 is -4 plus m2 is 4 multiplied by y1 is -2 upon m1 plus m2. Let us simplify it. You will get 3 2s are 6 minus 4 2s are 8 upon 7, and this minus 3 4s are 12 minus 4 2s are 8 upon 7, which is equals to minus 2 upon 7, and this is minus 8 minus 12 is minus 20 upon 7 are the coordinates of this point P. This is your required answer. So the coordinates of this point P will be minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7, right friends? So see the question number 9. Find the coordinate of the points, means we are going to find out the so many coordinates of the points, that so many points we are going to find out which divides the line segment joining A -2 and 2, and the coordinates of B is 2 8 into 4 equal parts. Means a line segment is given and this line segment is divided into 4 equal parts by how many points? If a line segment is given, इसको हमें 4 equal parts में डिवाइड करना है, तो हमें कितने पॉइंट्स ड्रॉ करने होंगे लाइन सेगमेंट पे? 3 points we need to draw. We are going to find out the coordinates of those 3 points. So let us see. If the given line segments are, say AB, the coordinate of A is -2 and 2. Coordinates of B are, this is 2 and 8. अभी हमें इस लाइन सेगमेंट को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेक द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ इट विच इज P. इसका कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करना है, और ये P इस AB को 2 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेगा. Now we have to take the midpoint of AP, say it is Q, और ये पॉइंट Q किसका मिड पॉइंट होगा? AP का मिड पॉइंट होगा. एंड वी हैव टू टेक वन मोर पॉइंट विच इज और इसका कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड करना है. एंड दिस आर द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ PB. राइट. तो हम इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर सिर्फ और सिर्फ मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूले से ही सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और इजीली कर सकते हैं. चलो, सो लेट QP and R, let the points Q, P and R divide line segment AB, divide AB in 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts such that, what are you getting? Such that AQ equals to QP equals to PR equals to RB. Understood? What? AQ equals to QP, AQ equals to QP equals to PR equals to RB. So from the figure it is clear that this P is the midpoint of line segment AB. So the coordinate, first we are going to find out coordinate of point P, which is equals to the midpoint of line segment AB. So P is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, means minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 and 2 plus 8 upon 2. So the coordinates of P came, that is 0 upon 2, minus 2 plus 2 is 0 and it is 10 upon 2. Therefore this becomes coordinates of P is 0, 5. Now we got the coordinates of P 0, 5. Now to find the coordinates of Q, Q is the midpoint of AP. So coordinates of P of Q equals to midpoint of AP. Okay, let us substitute the value. AP, you have the coordinates of these 2 points, minus 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 2 plus 5 upon 2, which gives you minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1 and 2 plus 5 is 7 upon 2. So we got the coordinates of Q also, minus 1 and 7 upon 2, minus 1 comma 7 upon 2. Now we need the coordinates of R, right? So to find the coordinates of R, and this R is the midpoint of PB. So it is midpoint of PB. Therefore coordinate of R is 0 plus 2 upon 2 and 5 plus 8 upon 2. Therefore coordinates of R is 2 upon 2 and 8 plus 5 is 13 upon 2. So you will get the coordinates of R is 1, 13 by 2. So this is 1 and 13 by 2 are the coordinates of point R. Now this line segment AB is divided into 4 equal parts by the points Q, P and R, and their coordinates are also we got. Q is -1, 7 by 2, P is 0, 5, R is 1, 13 upon 2. Right? This line segment is divided in 4 equal parts. AQ is equals to QP is equals to PR is equals to RB, and their coordinates are how to get. Here is the procedure. Okay? Okay friends, let's see the question number 10, which is the last question of this exercise. After this you need to complete this exercise whole. हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 4 एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है. आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है उसमें, कोई भी डिफिकल्टी होती है, कोई क्वेरी है, सो यू कैन कमेंट देयर इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. गिवन फाइंड एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस if its vertices are given 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4 and -2, -1. Means the coordinates of vertices of the rhombus are given. We need to find out the area of this if these vertices are taken in order. So first of all you should know what is the area of rhombus. The formula you should know. पहले तो formula हमें आना चाहिए. With the help of that formula we can find the area of rhombus easily. So area of rhombus, what is it? That is half into diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. With this formula we can get the area of rhombus easily, as these are the vertices of the rhombus. So let us see. Point A is 3, 0, the coordinates of point A is 3, 0. Point B, coordinates of this is a 4, 5. Point C is -1, 4 and point D, which is -2, -1. These are the vertices of the rhombus taken in order, right? As we have taken these vertices taken in order, so as we are discussing that how to get the area of rhombus, formula I told you, area of rhombus is equals to area of rhombus equals to half multiplied by diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, therefore half multiplied by diagonal 1 is what here? AC, and diagonal 2 is BD. This is the formula to find the area of this rhombus. चलो, according to the formula, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, half into AC into BD. तो अभी तो हमारे पास AC और BD का मेजर है ही नहीं. So how to get the area of this? तो एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए पहले तो हमें इसके डायगोनल्स के मेजर्स को फाइंड करना होगा. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द डायगोनल 1 विच इज AC बाय द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, डायगोनल 2 विच इज BD बाय द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. पहले तो हम AC और BD का मेजर फाइंड कर लेते हैं. सो AC इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट x1 minus x2 whole square. x1 is 3 minus x2 is -1, so it becomes +1 plus y1 is 0 minus y2 is 4 whole square. Right? After getting this is 4 whole square plus this is -4 whole square. So 4 4 are 16 plus 16, that is under root 32, and it can be written as 4 root 2 unit. This is the measure of diagonal 1. Now let us find out the measure of diagonal 2, which is BD. So BD is equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square, which is 4 minus minus plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus minus plus 1 whole square. So it can be written as 6 square plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 36 is equals to under root 72, that is 6 under root 2 unit. Now as we got the measure of both the diagonals, so we can get the area of this rhombus easily. So the area of rhombus is equals to area of rhombus ABCD is equals to area of ABCD is equals to half into AC. Measure of AC we got 4 under root 2. 4 root 2 multiplied by second diagonal BD, and the measure of BD is 6 root 2. 6 root 2. So this root 2 to 2, that is 6 4 ja 26 square unit is the area of this required rhombus. बच्चों आपको समझ में आया होगा? जैसे हमने पहले एक्सप्लेन किया कि एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस क्या होता है, दैट इज हाफ इंटू डायगोनल 1 इंटू डायगोनल 2. सो हियर विद दिस फिगर डायगोनल 1 वाज AC एंड सेकेंड डायगोनल वाज BD. तो पहले हमने क्या किया, इन दोनों डायगोनल्स के मेजर को फाइंड किया विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. आफ्टर गेटिंग द मेजर ऑफ AC एंड BD अप्लाइड इन द फार्मूला वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस रोम्बस easily.